want to show you how to turn off maintenance required light on 2015 Toyota Corolla or similar years. As you can see, the maintenance light required is on. So the first step, you are going to put the key back in ignition here. Turn on your ignition and then again press display until trip A is on. Let me see, trip A is already on, but I'm gonna do it again. Hold on to trip A, okay, just hold your finger, and then you see, well, right now I already turned it off, but switch engine to off and turn it back on again while holding the display button. Okay, you can see maintenance required lights flashing and it's gonna be disappear. You're still holding. Okay, here you go, you're done. And then finger off everything and here you go. I just did it before, but this is what you did. You have to switch while holding display. You have to switch ignition to off and back on again to trigger the required light flashing again and then disappear in a few seconds, probably like 5 or 6 seconds. Hope it helps.